Step 1. Connect battery base to alarm body. Align connection points on battery base and alarm body. Twist until you hear a click. Repeat process on remaining alarms. To start the connection process, choose one alarm to be the master alarm. Any alarm can act as the master alarm. To set the master alarm, press the Learn button once until the master alarm has a red light showing. Now to connect the next alarm to the master alarm, click the Learn button twice to get a green light. Now press the Test button once. The green light on the alarm and the red light on the master alarm will flash twice. The two alarms are now connected. Repeat the process for all other alarms. Finally, press the Test button on the master alarm until the light turns off. To check all the alarms are working, press the Test Hush button and all the alarms should start beeping. Setup has now been completed.